I just had to let you know you're.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mary Ann Mandao from Bscrim 3C. So, I discussed the Lafayette polygraph machine in lie detection. So, first, I discussed the four components of polygraph machine. First is the pneumograph. Pneumograph is a medical instrument used to record the rate, rhythm, and depth of expiratory movements, usually by tracking chest and abdominal expansion. Commonly used in polygraph tests to measure breathing patterns. It typically consists of a rubber, convoluted tube wrapped around the subject. Second, cardiosphygmograph. Cardiosphygmograph is a component of a polygraph machine or lie detector that measures and records changes in a person's cardiovascular activity, specifically blood pressure and pulse rate during questioning. It consists of a blood pressure cuff, a rubber pump, and a transducer or recording pen that detects stress-induced cardiovascular changes. Third, galvanograph. Galvanograph is a component of polygraph machine or lie detector that measure changes in the electrical resistance of the skin, known as galvanic skin reflex or GSR, or electrodermal response. It detects fluctuations in perspiration to assess a subject's emotional or psychological state, particularly under stress. Next is the Pneumo 1 and Pneumo 2 are the two respiratory channels on a polygraph machine that records a subject breathing patterns. Pneumo 1 is connected to a tube around the upper chest or the thoracic to measure chest breathing. Pneumo 2 is connected to the tube around the lower chest or abdomen, or which is called abdominal, to measure abdominal breathing. Next is a cardiomodule. Cardiomodule is a component that measures and records a subject blood pressure, pulse rate, and heart strength during an examination. It uses a blood pressure cuff, typically placed on the upper arm to Next is a pen and inking system. Pen and inking system is parts of the Lafayette polygraph machine is used to make a permanent record of the test. Next is cardiopen. Cardiopen is part of the Lafayette polygraph machine. It's the component of the instrument responsible for recording cardiovascular activity, specifically blood pressure and pulse rate. It is typically the fourth and bottom pen on an analog polygraph instrument. Next is the galvopen. Galvopen is the component of the polygraph machine that records the galvanic skin response or GSR. It measures changes in the electrical resistance of the skin which fluctuate with increased sweat gland activity during emotional arousal or when a person is being deceptive. Next is paper flattering ruler. Paper flattering ruler, it is motorized system that pulls the chart paper, allowing the pens to record physiological changes. Some older analog polygraph utilize a rubber roller specifically designed for pulling the paper out of the machine. Next is a paper tear bar. Paper letter bar is a metal edge, often part of the chemograph or chart drive module, designed to allow for the clean, easy, and fast removal of polygraph charts or recording paper after a test. It facilitates the efficient handling of test records.
I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby, she